The best automatic litter box is a better litter cleaner than you are. It's consistent, thorough, and frees up your time so you can focus on the things that matter. So, in today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best self-cleaning litter box. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Petkit Pura X Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The Pura X litter box is compatible with all types of cat litter with the exception of crystal cat litter. Petkit does, however, note that pine litter doesn't work, as well as other options. This litter box features a cube-like shape with a circular opening in the front through which your cat enters. Thermal and infrared sensors detect your cat's presence around the litter box, while weight sensors detect his presence in the litter box. When your cat enters the box, his weight will appear on the LED screen above the entry. It's also tracked in the Petkit app. The Petkit app enables you to monitor your cat's activity and keep track of maintenance for your automatic litter box. It provides a log for your cat's litter box activity and tracks his weight. You can initiate a cleaning cycle and check levels for litter and the air purifying solution. Unlike some automatic litter boxes which automatically cycle after a minute or two, the Pura X cleaning cycle can be delayed anywhere from 1 to 60 minutes. The cleaning function itself is similar to other automatic litter boxes. The body of the box rotates, sifting clean litter into a storage compartment and separating clumps and waste into a waste compartment. In addition to hiding dirty litter in a covered compartment, the Pura X sprays a deodorizing solution into the box after every cleaning cycle. If you're not a fan of artificial fragrance, you can turn the feature off. While the Pura X does what it's designed to do, the sifting feature isn't as strong as other automatic boxes. The grates in the sifter are fairly large, and the bottom isn't attached to the inside of the globe. This allows smaller clumps to end up back in the litter tray. There's also a gap between the globe and the body of the litter box where litter could become trapped. Overall, the Pura X litter box works fairly consistently, though its performance leaves something to be desired. Some customers report issues with the sensors, and Petkit's customer service could definitely use some improvement. The Petkit app certainly adds value to the litter box, but overall, it may not be worth the price at over $600. Number 7 in my list is Litter Robot 3 Core Bundle by Whisker Self-Cleaning Cat. Because its rotating design uses gravity to its advantage, the litter robot avoids the jamming and caking issues common among other automatic litter boxes. In addition to smooth operation, the litter robot helps to make your life easier by featuring a set of intuitive controls, multiple settings, and useful notification lights. It is compatible with any type of clumping litter and works with silica gel crystals. To avoid the sticking that is the bane of most other automatic litter boxes' existence, the litter robot has a flexible rubber lining that pops out when the machine rotates, pushing clumped litter off of the interior surfaces and into the waste drawer below. The waste drawer is equipped with a carbon filter, which captures odors before they can escape. According to a review on Wirecutter, the drawer contains about 4 cups of clumped urine. When the waste drawer fills, the litter robot's ready light will start to blink, notifying you that it's time to discard the contents. Another user-friendly aspect of the Litter Robot is the fact that it's now available with the Wi-Fi-powered Litter Robot Connect app. This app allows you to monitor your cat's litter box usage whether you're home or not. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Unfortunately for budget shoppers, the Litter Robot's superior performance comes at a high-performance price. Consider, though, the Litter Robot's lower operating costs compared to other automatic litter boxes. It's compatible with any clumping litter or silica gel litter, so you won't need to worry about buying proprietary granules of any type. Compared to the ScoopFree Ultra, for instance, you'll pay less for the Litter Robot over time. Number 6 in my list is CatGenie Self-Flushing Cat Box. Installing the CatGenie is like adding a new toilet to your bathroom. It looks like a small human toilet and hooks up to water lines in the laundry room or bathroom. Each time your cat uses their little toilet, their waste is flushed away into the bigger toilet or through the plumbing. This is the only automatic litter box on this list that doesn't just scoop. It washes your cat's litter with a combination of water and CatGenie Sani solution. Once the plastic litter granules are washed, the CatGenie uses hot air and agitation to dry them out. The CatGenie is interesting in this respect. It's the only automatic litter box that whisks your cat's waste away through the plumbing, sparing you from ever having to haul away your cat's waste in a bag. It's not necessarily the end of your cat litter struggle. The CatGenie can grant your wish for a life free of scooping and scraping. But for many users, it brings a new world of problems. Because it requires the use of proprietary granules and special, non-refillable Sani solution cartridges, the CatGenie has a higher lifetime cost than either a standard litter box or some other automatic litter boxes. A review on Wirecutter estimated that the CatGenie's replacement costs would add up to $400 after 10 months. But it's worth the convenience, right? Number 5 in my list is Nature's Miracle MultiCat Cleaning Litter Box. Nature's Miracle is well known by cat owners for their odor control products, and this automatic litter box is no different. A motion sensor detects when your cat has left the litter box, and a rake automatically scoops clumps into odor-controlled receptacles. Carbon filters work to keep odor contained. The extra-large box comes with a 1-year warranty against defects and accommodates larger or multiple cats. Its high walls prevent litter from being scattered, and a paw cleaning ramp limits tracking, although most reviewers recognize that a larger mat is necessary to prevent all tracking. The removable rake makes cleanup a breeze, and a handy scoop and rake cleaning tool is included. Although you can use any premium clumping litter for an additional fresh linen fragrance, you can use Nature's Miracle's brand of super absorbent clumping cat litter. Number 4 in my list is PetSafe Simply Automatic Cleaning Cat Litter Box. This automatic litter box is in constant motion. The almost imperceptible motion doesn't stop when your cat steps in or when you're handling it. Instead, it slowly continues, making a full rotation every hour. As the litter bowl rotates, the machine captures clumped litter and sends it up a conveyor, which delivers the clumped waste into the built-in trash bin. There are currently 2 versions of the Simply Clean on the market, a new version and an original style. The new version has a fresher, more modern look, higher sides, status lights, and a conveyor that doesn't reach as far into the bowl. While it has some improvements in terms of spaciousness and style, the new version appears to have the same motor burnout problem seen in the older models. Users recommend pairing the cat box with an outlet timer to prevent the motor from running constantly. Since the new model hasn't solved the biggest problems users faced with the original design, we recommend the original Simply Clean for most buyers. Number 3 in my list is Littermade MultiCat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Like the ScoopFree, the Littermade looks like a standard litter box. It's a rectangular pan equipped with a raking mechanism that crosses the litter bed, scraping up and sequestering waste. When your cat steps into the litter box, a sensor built into the inner wall of the Littermade detects their presence. 10 minutes after your cat leaves the box, the machine starts a cleaning cycle. Unlike the ScoopFree litter box, the Littermade is intended for use with any litter of your choice. You can pair it with clumping clay, silica, or any natural biodegradable litter your cat enjoys. Most cats prefer clumping clay litter over any other type of litter on the market. In that sense, an automatic litter box should be compatible with such a well-loved litter substrate. On the flip side, clumping litter presents a unique set of challenges when paired with the Littermade litter box. When litter clumps in the Littermade, it tends to stick to the rake. Anytime your cat urinates near the rake, clumping litter will adhere to the cleaning mechanism, preventing it from doing its job effectively. This has led some users to coat the rake with baking soda or use cooking spray to prevent sticking. Others choose their litter strategically, observing that only hard clumping, fast-acting litter works effectively in the Littermade. Number 2 in my list is PetSafe Scoop Hands-Free Cleaning Cat Litter Box. This automatic litter box earns its place as our top-rated pick with its superior odor control, smooth operation, and reasonable price. The ScoopFree Ultra combines the long-lasting odor control of silica gel litter with a convenient raking mechanism. Silica gel crystals have several benefits in an automatic litter box setup. For one, Crystal litter absorbs liquid waste, meaning that you don't have to worry about it turning into sludge and jamming up the machine. And just as it absorbs liquid waste, Crystal cat litter desiccates solid waste and renders it odorless. In short, this is a litter that eliminates odors and doesn't create sludge. To compensate for the fact that you won't be closely watching your cat's waste, the ScoopFree Ultra features a use counter to give you a better idea of how often your cat uses the toilet. But it's not perfect. The ScoopFree Ultra can handle a lot, but it usually can't handle cats with diabetes or kidney disease. Silica gel litter has a high absorption capacity, but when it reaches its absorption limit, the liquid has nowhere to go. If your cat urinates more than most, saturation is inevitable. For this reason, the ScoopFree Ultra is best suited to single cat homes. One way to save money is by using a reusable tray instead of buying disposable litter trays. You may opt to purchase a reusable plastic tray and pair it with any silica gel crystal litter. Number 1 in my list is PetSafe ScootFree Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box System. This automatic litter box is in constant motion. The almost imperceptible motion doesn't stop when your cat steps in or when you're handling it. Instead, it slowly continues, making a full rotation every hour. As the litter bowl rotates, the machine captures clumped litter and sends it up a conveyor, which delivers the clumped waste into the built-in trash bin. There are currently 2 versions of the Simply Clean on the market, a new version and an original style. The new version has a fresher, more modern look, higher sides, status lights, and a conveyor that doesn't reach as far into the bowl. While it has some improvements in terms of spaciousness and style, the new version appears to have the same motor burnout problem seen in the older models. Users recommend pairing the cat box with an outlet timer to prevent the motor from running constantly. Since the new model hasn't solved the biggest problems users faced with the original design, we recommend the original Simply Clean for most buyers. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.